What's up, guys? Welcome back to another regional vlog. I'm going down to Oklahoma City for a regional on 38 feet of oil, the Wayne Webb pattern. Today's a practice day, so I got plenty of time to figure it out. Time to start that 2-hour drive. Well, this ride seems to be taking forever, so I made a little quick stop for lunch. Chick-fil-A, grilled chicken Sammy as always. We're about like 20 minutes away from the practice session. See which balls I'm gonna be using this weekend. What the heck was that? You think he's gonna choke?
Oh, 100%. He's choked. He's gonna choke.
9-10. Not enough sauce on him to get him to hook.
I don't mind that look.
That would have been another 3-pin for you? We will see him on Sunday afternoon. The OG bowling YouTuber.
Try to make a comeback. This ain't working out.
What's your tag on YouTube? Trey Ford?
Yep.
Simple, straight, to the point. Let's help him make that comeback. Hey-o. Come on now.
Lefty power. Lefty
Come on
power.
now. We'll see what Chasten's got for us. Damn. What, you think you can strike?
A little bit.
Ah. Pew, 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 pew. Whose do you think this is?
It's gotta be Dallas.
Dude, where did you get that? Hitter! I don't know if he's gonna top that, I'm just saying. This is kind of the crossroads for me of the practice session where I've thrown some urethane, I've thrown some reactive, they both look good. I think right now I'm gonna test out going back to urethane and seeing, because my hitter looks good, my CUDA looks good, my dark web hybrid looks good, and my black hammer and purple hammer all look good. The hitter I've had a lot of success with, the dark web hybrid I've had a lot of success with, and the CUDA was maybe once they get a little drier. And now, if I can throw the urethane and have that same amount of success, I think it's more sustainable pair to pair, where I'll be able to cross the house without having to move too much, without splitting a bunch. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can still have a good look later in the day. Well, we just got done with practice. I'm thinking probably tomorrow I'm gonna start with the urethane, but definitely keep that reactive in mind as the day goes on, because the reactive definitely looked great Once there was some carry down, there were plenty of lefties bowling to create that carry down that I think the reactive might need. I got the early squad, so I'm gonna rest up tonight, check into my hotel now, and hopefully get a little bite to eat with Madison. You're not gonna intro the vlog for us? Welcome back. This is day 2 of the Oklahoma City Regional. Again, we're bowling on 38 feet of oil. We're gonna grab some breakfast here this morning, and then we got A squad starting up here in about an hour and a half. Just that easy. Hook. Hook. The shot. All right, so first shot of the game 2 here. My black hammer just went like a mile down lane, didn't really hook. Obviously this pair is playing much tighter than the last pair. So I changed to the purple hammer frame 2, and you saw a hook play on that one. So I might even be able to move about a board right, but not just yet. Shot. Yo. Tight. 181 game 2, 204 game 3, and that'll bring us, or I guess 203 game 3, so that'll bring us right around the plus 40-ish mark. That first game I was able to throw that black hammer out to the left, kind of watch it peel off the gutter a little bit. And then the last 2 games, when I threw it there, it only hooks sometimes, so I'm having to kind of move my whole break point in and use the gutter to, the gutter, be like 6 or 7 down lane, and I switch to a stronger ball in the purple instead of the black. That way, hopefully it has a little bit better carry through the pins. So we got 5 more games left. Hopefully I can chase down the leaders. The leaders. Yo, it doesn't even get it. Hey. We're at 180 there. I just once again didn't have a great look. And the scores were decently high. I think the leader after 3 was like 120 over, and probably 4 or 5 guys above 80 over, and I'm sitting at like 50 with bad ball reaction, and I only had it the 1 game. So I'm hoping this game, switching to reactive, I'm going to the radical hitter. I'm hoping that it will kind of blend out some of that misroom to the left that I've had with the urethane and some of that early hook. I'm hoping it'll skate through the fronts and actually pop down lane a little more. So. All right, so I popped another 179 there, so another knock rate game. I'm back to like plus, I believe it is 18 now. So I gotta start bowling well. I gotta start making some better shots every game and figuring it out. So I'm gonna move way back left with the purple hammer this time, give it some speed to try and keep it online and see if I can bail out the back 3 games here and hopefully find myself in the cut. Hit. It's even further down the lane. Push. All right, so we finished up there with a 212, which was good enough to keep me in the cut. We'll be bowling tomorrow. We got 4 games, then cut the field in half, then 4, then cut the field in half, then 4, and then get to the step ladder. So I got some moves to make tomorrow. Got a little simpler game plan. Throw the urethane and stay a little closer to the gutter than I was and make sure the speed is right for my ball to make the right shape on the lane. Speed is key. Note taken. I'll see you guys tomorrow.